Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone again here at MarineMax Clearwater, and woo, do I have a boat to show you today. This is the all-new Sea Ray SLX 350R. Alright, so if you take a look right on over there, a pair of twin 450 racing Mercuries, okay? 900 horsepower powering this bad boy up to speeds that you've never seen in a 350 SLX before. 350 SLXR also gets you the little red stitching and piping throughout the boat. And as you follow me into the cockpit of the boat, we're going to go over, if you're not familiar with the 350 SLX, we had a little bit of an update last year. So just like all of the 350 SLXs, you have a very spacious cockpit with plenty of entertainment seating for all of your friends and family. Standard Kenyan grill, cockpit refrigerator, wet bar trash, extended sure shade, all glass cockpit with dual Simrads. But here's where things got interesting last year. The 350 SLX got a little update. Over here we actually have a cabin. Check that out. Cabin, television, and on this side you have your dedicated head. Little pop-up step down so everybody can get in and out with ease. And if you look down, we've got this snap-in sea deck. Of course, no SLX would be an SLX without a windlass anchor. Guys, boat shows have slowed down a little bit, boat sales have not. If you have not had a chance to see this boat in person, you have got to come see me here at MarineMax in Clearwater. So if you got any questions, www.marinemax.com. You can go ahead and give me a call on my cell phone, 803-760-0609. Call me here, 536-BOAT. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click like and subscribe. Give me a call.